Hello everyone, this is the Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this SMALLRIG Vibe P96 Pro Mini LED video light. Here's everything that comes in the box. We do have a charging cable, USB-C to USB-A. This is the cold shoe mount. Here's the actual video light. This front diffuser is permanently on there. Looks like we got quarter 20 threads on the side. USB-C charging point. Here's what the back looks like. Okay, so this is the on-off switch. When you first turn it on, you're going to see the logo there. And now it does not turn on as soon as you turn it on. You have to rotate this to get it to turn on. Now we've got a mode button, and you're going to know which mode you're in by this display. So press the mode button. You'll see one display is highlighted. Press it again. The highlight will go over to the color. That's the intensity. Now when that highlight Now when I rotate this, it changes the intensity. Press it again. Now I can do the color. And turn it off. And back on. Again, I got to rotate it to turn it on. All right, let's take a look at the cold shoe. All right, so when you press this button, the feet come out. That's what locks it in. So put the cold shoe in, press that button, and now it's locked in. Press it again, and it comes off. Let's take some measurements. Do have a battery indicator up at the top, shows you what the battery status is. 3 inches, 2.5, thickness-wise, 1 inch. With the cold shoe, 3 1/4. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.